What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful slides that look like this, through Claude. Now, full disclosure, this is not me. I use the technique of my man Digital Samaritan, and there was this awesome video that he published like 2 weeks ago, and I have been obsessing over it. And here I have taken it one step further by turning this whole thing into a Claude skill. So by the end of this video, I'll show you how you can create carousels like this, the exact Claude skill. I'll give it to you for absolutely free as a downloadable format. So stay till the end, all right? I'll start with a quick demo of how this whole thing looks like. Then how did I go about creating it so that you can pretty much use the framework to create any kind of content piece out there, not just a carousel design. Okay, and then towards the end, I'll show you how exactly can you access this particular Claude skill. All right, let's get started. Now, first things first, what we will do is I'll go to Claude. Okay, I'll first do upfront like Instagram carousel generator, and you can use any kind of content piece. Say, for example, I have published a lot of videos. Okay, and let's say. Oh, you know what? I'll use my interview with Alex Hormozy, okay?
And you're not going to find another you to replace everything that you do. You can find.
All right. I'll just take the transcript of this whole video and I'll be like, I interviewed Alex Hormozy in 2 years ago. I don't remember what was the exact date, 2023. And he shared some profound things that changed my life. Here is the interview, and I want you to create a carousel on the same. And then I'll paste the whole transcript. You can do it with any video out there. I just prefer to use my own videos. You can choose to pick any video out there if you want to take some inspiration, so to speak. All right, let it like do its magic. I'll come back right after it's done. All right, so now it's asking for all the brand names and all of that. So I'll just copy this and add what is going to be the brand name. It's going to be Jayant. Instagram handle is so I'll put my primary brand color. I actually forgot. I'm gonna go to my Instagram and I'll check the background color that I got. There you go. I love the yellow color. Okay, logo, I prefer my headshot, so that would be this. Okay, front Y bold and modern, tone bold and punchy. I can just also add an image of my interview with Alex Hormozy and interview thumbnail. That's not I didn't word it the best way, but you get the point. And what I'll do is I'm gonna go to my channel and let's say I'll just take this particular picture, this particular video,
and you're not going to find another you to replace everything that you do with them.
So I'll just take a screenshot of this, and I think I'll just put that here. Oops. Okay. And I'll hit enter. So now I want Claude to basically use my picture, that particular thumbnail, and then create the whole carousel. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish. All right, as you can see, this is the outcome of this particular thing. And it's not half bad. This is so good, right? So it gives me a lot of lessons. And obviously, it has given me the whole carousel. So I can just download all, and everything gets downloaded to my PC, right? So there you go. Give this to me in PDF as well, and give me a caption to post, to use while posting. That starts from, it starts with, okay. Now it will give me a PDF and the whole thing. I can post it on LinkedIn, I can post it on Instagram. It's pretty cool, right? So you get the point. But how exactly do you build this for yourself? That's the biggest question, right? So first things first, I'm going to walk you through this SOP, and by the end of the SOP, you can access the whole Claude skill for free, and you can find the document link in the description below. All right, so let's get started. So first things first, we'll need to extract your design system. So if you are not posting already, if you are not somebody who posts already, and you don't have a lot of carousel of yourself, you can borrow other people's carousels. For example, pick like a creator that you personally follow a lot and pick the kind of carousel that they build. Okay, so let's say I like Ruben Hazard mostly, so I'll use Ruben. Oh, you know what? Let's use Alex. I mean, I've been binging on his videos nowadays. I love his carousels. They are very, very good. I like the kind of carousels he posts. And here you can, if you once you come to LinkedIn, you just go to document, and I prefer LinkedIn over everything else. And pick the kind of, yeah, not this one. Oh, it's been a while that he posted those animated ones. Okay, I think it's been a while that he posted those animated ones. Let me just, okay, I like this one. So let's say the bread maker. Oh, this is the one. I like this. Okay, let's say we want to model this. So what we'll do is we'll maximize this and download this as the full PDF. You can also download the entire thing as PNGs. Totally up to you. Although I prefer for this one, I prefer the images because that's the style it replicates. I never use PDF though. Okay. So what we will do is we can download this as a PDF because this will become like a reference. We can go to Canva and just upload the PDF over here. So for those of you wondering, why am I going with a LinkedIn document as opposed to Instagram, not directly downloading the Instagram things? You can do that as well. I just prefer this method. I post very less on Instagram. I post mostly on LinkedIn. So it's just my preferred method. There is no logic behind it. Okay. So I'll go to share and I'll download as PNG and I'll download. So every page gets downloaded as a PNG separately. Okay. There you go. Let's open this baby up, and there we go. Okay, we got the PDFs. Now we'll go to Claude and we'll upload all of those images that we used as reference. Okay, so I'm gonna drag and drop everything here. There you go. Okay. Now we will use the next prompt, which is extract the style, design, color, fonts, etc. Ignore the written content. Send me the description in a JSON format. So there you go. It uses and gives you a JSON format. Why JSON formatting? It's basically kind of like a prompt, but in a coded language. And apparently LLMs, and I don't know much, but LLMs, they process JSONs much faster than anything else. Okay. So once this is done, although my boy Digital Samaritan says create like a Claude project, I prefer to turn this into a skill. Okay. Why skill? Because I can share it with people. I can share it with my team who can, take this up, and well, we can like obviously go ahead and, you know, uh, make it better. Oh, great. I am out of usages. Let me just buy some extra usages. Give me a minute. Yeah, we're good. All right. I'll just say continue. Right? So let it complete building this whole thing. Then I'm going to show you how exactly to turn them back, turn them into carousel. All right. Now the JSON extraction is complete. What do you want to do with it? Turn it, use it as a style guide, turn it into Instagram skill, whatever. Build a template. We don't need anything. We have the prompt that we need. Okay. So just copy this thing and use this exact Claude skill. And it's a default Claude skill that you'll find. And if you don't know how to use Claude skills, check my previous video. The link will be somewhere, right? Just put / skill creator and write create an Instagram carousel skill, create an animated skill. Here's gonna be rule. So once this is done, we'll copy the JSON prompt and be like, there you go. Okay. So let it process it, and then we'll see how good or bad the skill is. All right, my skill is ready. Okay, so it has done a detailed work on the skill here. So what we'll do is we'll first save the skill. Let it finish writing. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll first test the skill. Okay, test it with a sample carousel. That is it. And let's see what it asks us. It should ideally ask for the brand color. If it doesn't, we'll optimize the script skill. So right now you have to basically train it like how you train intern. You have given Claude an instruction. It will follow it to, I guess, 60%. Okay. Now the problem is it will use like a default Hormozy palette. We need to probably ask, every time this skill is used, ask for my color palette, or ask for the user's color palette, and we'll optimize the skill here. So let's see what kind of results we get here. All right, so it created something which is not too bad. It created like a decent looking carousel. Okay. But it obviously is not the best, right? Because it used acquisition.com's branding and everything, and it looks very different. So what we will do is I added this particular prompt. If you notice, the cartoon character normal skill derived from Hormozy himself. So I wanted to add this to the skill. Every time a skill is called for, ask user these questions: brand name, Instagram handle, primary brand color, logo, front vibe, and create the and make sure that the branding of the carousels is according to the user's brand colors. Okay, so this is one, right? So we let it go. So I'll wait for it to keep finishing the skill, and pretty much this is a process. Once you create one skill, it's never fully done. So what happens is you keep iterating, keep giving it instructions until it's finalized. So that's exactly what I did with my boy Digital Samaritans thing. And I created this skill, which is uh, ultimately like which is ultimately the one that you saw, right? This is the one that it created just now, and it's also pretty awesome. So it took me quite a bit of iterations to finally get it to be get it to an usable format. Now, how can you download this particular skill for absolutely free? Well, all you have to do is in this particular document, at the end of it, there is a link, okay? And this link will also be present in the description, okay? You can just click on this link, you'll come across a page, and basically the page will look like this. If you give me your details, you can access all of my AI resources, starting with tutorials, courses, personalization, like everything that I have done in the past. You get access to those. And there is this link which says all of my Claude skills in one place. And if you go here, you'll pretty much find all the skills that I have developed so far. So, it's just way easier for you. So if this is something that you're looking for, please go ahead and download it and let me know in the comments, what do you think of this video? Do you want more such videos? And I'll keep publishing. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.